feel me? Like type shit. You feel me? We gone. Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Luis, 25 Locs. Yo guys, I'm gonna show you, man, how she did my hair. I got my hair done. It's been a minute since I don't do my hair. You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you guys how she did it. Me personally, this is my first time getting this style done. Yo, there is a baby screaming outside. Can you hear it? Yeah, that's definitely a baby. Let me see. I don't know, yeah. But it is outside. Anyway, man, so look, like, I'm gonna lie to you, I love it so much. Even though I thought when she showed it to me, I was like, this is gonna be so tight. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to handle it. But like, it's not tight at all. It looked like it is tight, especially the side on the side, but it's not. So I love it for real. And I finally got it done because it's been a minute since I don't do my hair. I just don't like getting style. I don't like even getting retwist, but I have to. Like, we have to get a retwist on a regular basis, especially if your hair is not locked yet. So you have to get a retwist so your hair lock. You see what I'm saying? But me personally, I just don't like it. Feel me? I like to have my hair like free. See what I'm saying? So I can get some air and feel me. Like, I just don't like, because whenever I'm going to sleep, I don't feel like I can get some sleep whenever I have my hair done. Might be some type of shit inside of me. I just don't feel me. I don't like it. But anyway, so look guys. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? So look at that. So tomorrow, she gonna shake me up. You feel what I'm saying? Like, put a line on the side. Me personally, I like that shit. Look at that. Let me turn around slowly so you can see it in the back and how she did it. So look, y'all let me know how it look. Y'all let me know how it look. I feel like she did an excellent job. Look at that. So I've really fucked with it. I like the style. You see it? So this is my first time getting my hair done like this, like doing some style. You see it? Like, I never had this before. So tomorrow, guys, she gonna shake me up. You feel me? She gonna do my eyebrow. Give me sleep right there. You feel me? She gonna do my beard. I'm tripping. I ain't got no beard. Anyway, so you feel me? Like, she gonna shake me up and shit, do my eyebrow, sleep. You feel me? So clean, man. So we getting ready because we're going to one of our co-worker wedding. Yeah, so she got me together today. Tomorrow I'm gonna shape up. You see what I'm saying? And the wedding is on Saturday. You see what I'm saying? So man, y'all let me know how I look. Y'all let me know if you like it, if it is good, if I should go ahead and get it done later on. You feel me? Like, get my hair done in this style or any style so often. So y'all let me know how I look, man. Something that I don't like, about getting my hair done is whenever I go to sleep, I cannot sleep the same when my hair is like normal. I don't know what's going on, but like, I used to be feeling uncomfortable whenever I lay down on the pillow. You see what I'm saying? Like this. I lay my hair, you feel me? Like, I just don't like getting my hair done, y'all. But like I was saying, like, if you growing your hair, if your hair is not locked, you're supposed to do, especially if you wanna have dreadlocks. So you're supposed to get a retwist like from 4 to 5 weeks. You know, if you're trying to have like your hair locked. So the retwist is gonna help your hair. It's gonna help your hair to lock. So you have to do it, like, even though if you don't like me, thank God my hair is very long and locked, so I can wait like 2 or 3 months with our retwist, so it's not gonna do nothing wrong with my hair. Even though if I stay longer than that, it might mess it up and they might start lagging together, you see what I'm saying? So I don't want that. But anyway guys, so thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for always being there, showing me love. Thank you guys for always being there. Okay guys, so before I forget, I have a membership already on the description right here. All you have to do is click on the link and then you're gonna see the price. And let me tell you a little bit what are you gonna learn on that membership. So it's gonna be for a month. If you subscribe right now, you're gonna be able to see all the videos that I have explaining, like short video explaining how to use the crochet needle, I have video even working with a mannequin head. You see what I'm saying? Like one-on-one videos about how to use the crochet with number 2, this one with 2, the one with the 3, and the one with only 1 needle. So like you're gonna be able to tie your hair, you're gonna be able to learn in just 1 month. Like I got like 25 videos already in that membership that you're gonna have to watch them one-on-one, you see what I'm saying? And in that way you're gonna be able like to learn how to use the crochet, and you're gonna have like a different type of ways to do your hair, you see what I'm saying? So all you gotta do is like click the link on the description right there and you're gonna see the price. So if you're ready, just have to subscribe on the membership. You hit me up on my IG or whatever, but anyway I'm gonna be able to see who signed in and let's get it, man. So if you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends, family, anywhere. It can be on Facebook, TikTok, IG, WhatsApp, anywhere, man. Thank you for the love and I see you in the membership. I guarantee you that you're gonna learn a lot, you see what I'm saying? So it's just only for a month and it's not even a lot. Click the link right there and you're gonna see the price of that membership. Man, I'm gone. Look at that. Oh man, I don't know what the fuck is this. Oh, this motherfucker is big. Look at that. Like this motherfucker is big. Anyway guys, love you for real. Luis 25 Locs, and look at that flow. Dominican shit, you feel me? Like type shit. You feel me? We gone.